When I introduced you just now, I introduced you as, I don't know what you call yourself. The never say never guy.
Never say never guy.
And
plenty.
Yeah, okay. And true to that statement, or true to that, your what we call your maxim. It be like say you really stand by that thing, because you one guy be like say at every point in time you don't make sure say you hold strong to your belief, say Bob, this music would one.
Yes.
And over time it pay. Over time, when we look back, you say in fact, if you look at the number of people where we say start with your time, because the problem with us most times now say we like to see only people who say don't they ahead of us. What about the people who don't pass?
Yeah.
Now, if you look at the time when you start till now, people will start with you go find out say no, when they see they pop, when they still get that superstar, status in quotes, they're not go really too plenty.
Yeah.
So if at all we need to give you a flower and say, Bob, over the years you don't remain and they true to the game, and if they pay off, you still maintain your status, you still give us hits. But the question I want to ask, we say, I believe say in the process of all these things, you don't get your downtimes.
Yeah.
You don't get times when you be like, say, Bob, if I'm gonna ask you like straight, you don't ever get moments where you say, Bob, this music, be like say I go quit.
Honestly, I never actually think I'm saying make a quit, because really, if I quit it, I won't do. I don't reason say if I quit it, I won't really do.
Yeah.
But apart from that, for me, like I talk, nobody just fact say I just focus on profits. Like music now something we I actually truly love. Like if you ask all my friends, they fit tell you say I feel sacrifice anything for music. Like as a matter of fact, because of music, I don't feel like say I get life. Like because I really love music. I prefer to just the studio, they record, they make music, they make myself feel happy.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, if I tell you now in the week, sometimes I feel they record one album in the week. And also for me, it's truly now within me I love be that. So I never actually think I'm that way. And the way God did one for me, one way or the other, things just did happen.
Something could just happen.
Since I dropped Shake Body, it's just everything just a good idea.
Yes.
Obviously, there's going to be down moments, but now man, you be as long as there's life, you keep going. You figure out ways. You think of new ideas. And you just try to do everything where you fit do today relevant.
True. Now, since you leave here, everybody leave here, me, and everybody they go, you don't do a couple of collaborations with a lot of people, both big, both small, or join. And people don't always ask you to try, and I'd like to ask again. You don't do with Bonner, you don't do, in fact, even the ones you never do it, you don't give them props at one point in time. You don't hail Timaya as Paraho, your industry father. You don't hail Olamide, but over and over and over and over again, it seemed like you and Wizkid were like twin brother. Because that's the truth. At that point in time, when 12 na small, 12 na they talented. You just know that when you see these two guys, they get a lot of prospects. But somehow, it always look like say, meanwhile, big shout out to him. He dropping.
So he album just dropped.
But somehow you and I never do any collaboration. Like after I don't go, everybody don't leave hear me. Until date, it always seem like say the relationship not sweet. Is it really true, or not just media they push that notion and agenda?
Me and him they cool, man. We don't get problem. Now just different fan base, we won't cause problem. Because me, I just did my day. If you know me, I just did.
Yes.
I just the only thing with me I like for this life now I just make my music.
True.
Make people listen to my music. Make I day. I know even send if I hear artists with me I like, I go appreciate the music. I go even come out to write time say this person bad. That kind of thing. So obviously they push agendas and they get time when me have been they feed into those agendas. They get, and I can't look and say if I they feed into this toxic agenda, all the kind toxicness, negativity where they run away from.
Then you
can say they bring them to myself. So what I can do? Okay, it's in. Now they won't make I do this one. I go down. Then they make them just carry their wala. They go. But for me, I did cool with everybody. Me and Wiz, we don't jam many times. As a matter of fact, I think 2-3 years ago, again one time. He just balls one of my guys. Say, where's Skales? Say, baby, come now. Yeah, I can see. We the studio, we walk, we talk, we come out. You know?
So at any point in time, you feel so I go do something.
Man, I did open, man. It's all love.
All love.
It's all love.
Meanwhile, talking about this agenda, just recently some people they push one certain agenda. This is your song now. When you do with Bonner, you know, and they don't push agenda. Then you set the, you know, the how do you call it, the whole agenda straight. So not be the one that they look at. 12 look as business, as music na business. 2 of us do business. It go where it benefits and the benefits. Yes, so when they say Bonabo na help you or it's not a very but when you make that kind of statement, you know say Bonabo self he say get to you nobody. No, Bonabo my bro. You know if you say he go feel like why Skales.
But he help me. He help me now. He get me. It's not the truth now. Even himself he go notes now. The real thing I talk.
Yes.
You know, nobody help anybody. It's just we see we admire we probably admire ourselves.
Yes.
And we enter studio. You know, we make as at that time self Burna Boy no get song we been hot as that time. I just done my song.
Yes.
We come hot so as God do am. And after that song, when they excel they go, you know. And I know they take props saying na me or anything, but you know, he don't inspire me over the years, and I believe I inspired him at some point too.
Yes.
You know, so now you know, nobody help anybody. It was just the whole idea, the whole aim of collaboration with us. If we come, we could be able to perform our songs at separate. As a matter of fact, I did happy saying the perform because every time we perform the song, my streams they go up.
Oh boy.
You know, and you know what's crazy? You know they make money from the song.
Can you imagine?
Yeah. So apart from that, times don't dey way. I get one time I go perform for Yola. And Burna been the headline one show. That time my song, the Temper remix, was due together. And I be the hottest song we ain't been get.
Okay.
In call say I beg him. I don't call the name of the person because the person no cool again. So you know, in call the person say your jet is there. Say please can you help me bring Skales?
Wow.
You know they fly me come Lagos for inside their jet and we performed that night as soon as I land from airport and straight to the events I go.
Okay.
We perform and it was great. So now the whole idea of collaboration so that we feel able to, you know, perform the song separately even when we know they together.
Yeah, so now they're using different platforms.
Yeah, so nobody but the way with them they push the agenda like say when they make me look less. Because say what's the worry these people? You know who I am.
Yeah, so the kill. They never see never cry.
I don't suffer for this game, you know, I don't pay my dues. You know, but I mean it's all love, you know. And Burna and my brother, if you get problem, I did sure saying for don't reach out to me, say why you talk like this.
Yes,
but it's all love, and I believe saying no, say the thing they mess with me, and I be know they think I'm like
okay. See, more will leave all this, man. More come to the music now. You get one of your songs when you say they bust my head. I don't know. I won't lie to you. I don't see. It's a shame. And I'll say it.
Yeah.
I don't even know the language when you speak for that song. Wait, I'll tell you. I don't know the language.
Yeah.
To an extent, I don't even know what you talk about. I love the rhythm, I love the harmony, I love the mood where you give us to that song. Jogo.
Yeah.
What are you they talk for that song?
Man, honestly, I come across that song for TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah, na Benin Republic song. Na Cotonou, the man na from Cotonou.
Okay.
So and I come there. I've been talk to Kilatun say, I need song we go scatter everywhere. How far? I've been there Dubai that time. And Kilatun come tell me say, hey, get this song with the trend for TikTok. If you sample them, and he sample and send out to me. I remember that night he sent out to me. I mean the go show. I come play for inside. I say, oh boy. And the next day I come go studio immediately. I record. I remember I record sent to him. I won't change everything. He say, no, leave him like this. So makes sense because I've been just get good mood. You know, say I've been there Dubai. They make money. I just happy say, oh my God, it's good. Then I record the song with happiness in my heart. I don't know what's in the man they talk. I don't go lie you. So now when I can come back Nigeria, my driver now from Cotonou. So I can ask him, I say, how far? You be Cotonou person now? Because every time I play the song, I know to sing with a smile. I can't say, hey, not true, you be Cotonou person. Waiting this man they talk. Then he can tell me, say, the man they talk about like then the same thing I've been talk about now they talk about. I say, are you for real? I didn't have no idea what he was saying. I just did what I could do because I just like the melody. So basically they talk about say, my brother, if I step on your toes or no vex or not so lively, sometimes I can make mistake. But we could just be happy, more dance together, more flex. And what's this song?
I don't say I've been a Hausa. At some point I say I've been a Auchi language.
No, na Cotonou.
So this guy actually,
if I sing for Auchi, all my people everywhere goes scatter.
Everywhere goes. But so this guy now when me say get this song original, like, before you do this song now you reach out to Ram.
Yeah, definitely, man. According to legal the music business part, I have to because by the time you go spend plenty money push music, they can't tell you say me to calm down everywhere you go because it happened to me when I dropped Temper remix. Yeah, you know all the parts where Burna been singing.
Yes.
Na fela part. So they actually take down the video.
Yeah,
for like they take down the video for like weeks. We go through. As a matter of fact, I think that 2 years ago we solved the problem.
Really?
They bring them up after plenty begging. You understand? And plenty back and forth with our lawyers. They come bring them up. Say, okay, we don't bring them up, but we have to do the normal. And also from that one, I learned my lessons here. Even if producer brings something and they play one thing, we sound like person, I will say, we'll go beg the person, no ask them.
We'll seek permission.
Yeah, you get that kind of thing. So yeah, definitely I did. And they might give me a blessing. As a matter of fact, he post for TikTok. You know, he even do live. He do one live video with me and he gets like thousands of people.
Wow.
You know, he said he did like Two-Face for Cotonou. Yeah, what Two-Face is.
Yes. Nice one. Okay. Man will not talk too much. Now, some where we say, you know, I don't know. Wait, when you do this song, you believe say you go the way you go?
I believe I'm die. I believe say because the song it too sweet to me for body.
Then the video, what I still say, but for that video, you if not be say we know you normally, you disguise so because what you wear for the video, what will be the concept, you know, behind all that video?
Because of the song now, within the song been they talk like, and the fact the sound of the song, now, cultural stuff.
Yes.
So I've been want to use that opportunity to take. You know, show how diversified we our culture is. Because I shoot the video for Lagos, Kano, and Abuja, and Badagry.
Wow.
Yeah, I go all these places, I shoot them. And while I've been the shoot them, I've been they mingle with people, because all the inspiration of the song, actually, all the beats, the different, now all these places where I go, now sounds come from.
Yes.
So, yeah, I make the video been like that.
I don't know whether you know, say, your vocals sweet on the normal, like,
I just learn about them now.
you can fall.
No, for real. I just really learn about them because I don't go lie. Part of the reasons why I record like almost every day now because I believe say they say practice makes perfect.
True.
So you have to, the more you work, the better you get.
Yes.
Yeah, so the more you repeat something, the more you find better ways of getting it done.
Because the other day I see you for Instagram, they do possibly like a freestyle. No instruments, no nothing, just your raw vocals. And you know this why they see some style where you bring and say no, this will not be just studio magic right now because not be studio you did, that just normal raw recording. And they hear your vocals and say I'm so scared no say in vocals not be now I understand. In fact, now I understand what you talk from beginning say, but originally that singing, you know push you enter rap that
no, honestly, rap now also something where I just pick up what I can love. Because no, honestly, I remember how it starts. The rap now, because that time for my where I come where they born me now, where I been grew up. Now rap they used to get woman easily. You just rap one or two lines, I just forget. She just say, now this guy, so myself, I can't because that time if they sing, you they like say you be chicken. They go say this guy, but if you be rapper like this, be bad guy. So I think that why I can't develop interest for rap and I can't continue. I can't go competition, I can't win. I said, boy, it be like saying good. Now like this go just there for now. But when they mix them up, they do things. Shout out to people like Jeremiah Gang, Jesse Jags. I meet them along the way also, back then for North Side. And
okay, nice one. I don't know whether that's my own impression, but I look like one guy be say just sabi day in day.
I love peace.
I don't know whether that's my impression or
I love peace.
So why they ask and say, like for this industry right now, who you go really say, now your guy? Like if you probably go through bad time, or even if not have celebration time, who would be like the first person who say you did? Man, reach out to say, Bob.
For this industry, hard to keep friends. Now, one thing I could tell you for sure is that people are not your friend when you deport. But when you deport, they go.
No, just general life. This is
so. I don't do this industry, so I don't go up. I don't come down. I don't see many things. So I don't see how when you deport like this, your phone go ring. You could feel like these people love you, die. And also for industry, I don't go lie you. There's no permanent friend. So you just need to understand that not so it be. You get so I do cool with everybody. Because whether I like them or not, people don't don't support me, we don't show me love, whether we be friends or not. You get so I do cool with everybody. I love my peace of mind. So for me, what's more important than family and the actual friends where I grew up with, we've been deep by my side all through it all. Now those ones, I know they play with them.
Like play now, you not call anybody name.
No, I did cool. Funny things, I did cool with everybody. I did chill with everybody. Like the part of the reasons why I know they push. I know they like the agenda of beef.
Yes.
Because I did like when I did somewhere, me the energy just sweet.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So even if we get beef, I go find a way to get through to you. Say, oh boy, free this feel. See as they be. You know, some could just be made move, or you understand?
Yeah. So, nice.
Because beef no they help, man. You know if you grow, you know if you grow.
We'll chop on beef. They tell you. You know. Now talking about new one. Make we actually enter this matter. Skills. How many songs you don't drop this 2024?
Man, this year I need to drop songs because I've been one drop album before, but I can't change my mind because I get bigger plans, so I change my mind. But this year I drop pretty much like 3 songs.
You know why they actually
only 3 songs this year.
Okay, so which one of them is Jogo?
One of them is Jogo. Then this new one in my cup with Ace Hood.
Yes.
Then the other one I still do remix with Spyro.
Okay, yeah, I still there. I see I'm here. Okay, I still there. Now, why they ask now? Say say when artists all they drop single back to back. You get where now body of work now they load with that.
They load
either EP or an album. So are we expecting any EP anyway? This 2024 don't.
You don't finish. So 2025.
So what do you would expect
2025? My new album.
Okay.
Now the name na Martina Son. I don't push am since Martina Son.
Not drink.
Mama. Martina and my mama, you know, so I lost my mama 2 years ago.
Oh, yeah.
So man, like, and you know, if you did follow my story, you know, so I need to use my mama joke.
Now the pattern well of now they use now because Wizkid drop.
Funny enough, me I don't talk about my own since last year. Since I don't talk about this Martina song.
Okay.
You get so now I've been supposed to even drop them early this year.
Okay.
But I just push and push. But for sure, 2025. You know, because all the things I already look for, I don't almost finish get them.
Okay. Nice one. Nice one. Now for this, you know, body of work now, so are we expect is it an EP or an album?
It's an album.
Would you expect any collaboration when you like to let us
so
know?
Plenty
Just our lips.
Plenty good day.
You know Skales now.
Plenty good day.
You know the one like say they won't hide. If you talk and I say it always be.
No, plenty good day. That one definitely.
You don't like to mention a number of places.
No, we're not gonna mention that.
Like
so when we don't date for sure.
Now let us actually go to the crux of the matter. In My Cup. That's your latest work.
Yes, so
with Ace Hood. I mean, one go expect say okay, okay. Why Ace Hood?
Yeah, man, Ace Hood na person where I jam him for Dubai when I been to do my Middle Eastern tour. Okay. Now I jam Ace Hood. So now something we no plan. As a matter of fact, if you tell me I go ever get song with Ace Hood, I will tell you say how when, you know. Yes. But I've been a huge fan of Ace Hood and a very incredible guy and a very dope person. So I go tour for Middle East and coincidentally I be my next door neighbor. So I've been play loud music now. So you can just come. Man, this is not complaining, won't complaining. Because I know you like the songs when they hear. See who I be. And I introduce myself to the next thing, I did try to cut the long story short.
Yes.
So the next thing, the blessed they go club. They call Shazam song. They call now my song will be this so. So you can come back and knock. Say now you be the Skales we sing all the song. I can say yes. I say say more go studio now. I say no problem. Wow. I call one of my guy. We get studio for Dubai. We can go there. We record song. The next day I tell I say I don't want to come America shoot video. More shoot for here since we there. I agree. He say more do that's how we shoot the video. We do everything. Yeah. And as a matter of fact, today, this morning, I checked the video for YouTube. We don't pass like 1 million views already and stuff like that. So,
Skales. You do this thing well.
We they push the.
They push this thing. In my cup. What is in my cup now? So which person cup? Now your cup.
In my cup. In my cup. The whole idea of the song now. You know, for the verse, I say for many nights I've been losing sleep because I get plenty problems and I know if you ignore them, I must solve them. You know, as it's been now, all of us we get problem. You know how they talk them now. Last week they solve one problem, another one they come. So problem no they finish. So my I no go kill myself. I just enjoy. So they tell them say, who could just DJ go. As the problem they come, we solve them. Then one we know if we solve, we move on.
So who produced this song?
It now reward producer.
Okay. Okay. Now somebody on top WhatsApp on the say good evening to yo and Skills. I love this song you did with Jeremiah Gang. Allah. Say I beg try to mix your rap with your singing now. I really love your rap. Larry from Surrey now talk.
We'll try my brother.
All right, this was so all the Skills respect brotherly. Your face show well keep it up, bro. I follow you, Mr. Happiness from my papa. One love.
I appreciate it.
Okay, we'll not talk again. We have to go back to the music.
Yeah.
About In My Cup.
In My Cup.
When exactly this song dropped?
This song dropped, I think it was November 7 or so.
This is November 20. That's like approximately
2-3 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago.
Yes.
2-3 weeks ago, yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah.
The video don't drop too.
It don't drop. It on YouTube.
Okay, so everything dropped like almost like immediately.
No, I think the video dropped like 2 weeks after. No. So you better say the song don't do 1 month or so. Almost 1 month. Almost 1 month.
Oh wow. Now I'm not gonna lie, you the person will be say down. You know, we don't want to end this whole conversation right now, but what I fit learn from you, and person say don't go through ups and downs. Don't see many things from NNPC to EFCC to. You know what I mean?
Yes.
You know, many things, and you keep the surmount all the pressure and you keep moving. How you did one, or how you feel advice person when say right now they go through a lot of problems and not knowing one, but I mean it just got to hear that word when we say give them hope.
I mean, most importantly, me I be God-fearing person, so I would just say just make sure say they always pray. You understand? And every time I pray, you know, there's plenty things there where I know if you change, you know, whether I like them or not. I know if you did sit down there, and I don't lie you, I had to learn, because you get times I just sit down, they worry, they complain, but I learned, say if they complain too much, now only things we going to make you complain, then go to come. But if you just wake up, say today again I go achieve, you know, just believe, just talk am. You know, I don't say make you talk am, me no go walk, talk am make you walk, make you go walk towards am. You know, so I always just believe, say as long as I dey okay, I dey alive, I know they take drug, I know they take medication. I know say take drugs, no they say I mean the other thing, but I know they take medication to survive. Like I dey alive, I dey drink water, and I just hustle food.
If you sick or get malaria, you go to.
And that one be the only problem where if you get for his life where you're more now serious problem. So as long as health dey okay, my brother, God could provide way. You understand? Just keep. You know, keep your mind right.
Yeah.
Be positive. Speak good things to your life.
True.
You know, easy. This thing when they talk, you know, easy, bro. You just gas learn them.
Yeah.
You know, things that happen to me like constantly on a daily way. I could just look and say, it's okay. You know, I face rejections. I face so many things, but you know me say another door no go open. You get
Well, we'll move now. But I just want to quickly read this message. You say, "Good evening, Naija FM, and good evening, Skales. As I hear your voice from radio right now, it reminds me of one song where you guys have been singing with Wizkid back then, Peaceful Protest. Any song like that? I don't feel forget that song, Twali Baba, all the best, bro. I don't mind if they fit play them. You're not gonna know who be Skales or who be Wizkid for that song. This is Vika from Ikoyi. Any song gonna do when we say if you play title like Peaceful Protest, but people not talk.
Be like I know the song we talk about now. Song with me, Banky, Wiz, Shady. Niniola.
Wow! You just carry me going to that place. I beg, no vex. What Shady? Do you hear from Shady?
Man, I don't know. The last time I heard from him, now he commented on my page. That's when I was like, "What? That's Shady." You know, you don't tell us him too. You know.
Wow. Okay. Then on the other hand, like we start this, that won't end this whole session now. They will come use in my cup. Take escort you matter wrap up. But I just like to ask you a question because right now you tell us about your body of work where they come and collaborations go there. Now when we start this interview, I make it clear. Say you be OG, but you call add something joy. Say no, OG Flex or Gen Z OG. And I accept. So, but the question why they ask now, say now we get a lot of young boys when we say they fire, you know, and they do well. You know, you get anyone you feel and probably work with in future. Or in anytime soon.
Honestly, if I see one we really move me, I don't mind.
No one don't move you yet. Is that what you mean?
For now, I never see. I've been to work with one, but you know, some kind of things happen, so we go our separate ways.
Okay.
And stuff because it's not easy, you know. If this music thing, you know, CB, yeah. So if I ever see one, of course, obviously I go run now. Okay. You know, but I see they find the day where I see one.
This talk where they talk heavy. You never see with all the boys where I say as a presenter I say some boys that they hot. You say never see
because for me, not be just about the music, about a lot of things. Okay. I need to say, okay, this person did what, you know, giving my all for that kind of thing.
Okay.
So, not be just music. I feel your music, yes, the music good dope, but I need to watch the person image, how the person they do, how in they roll, if this person even love this thing. Because that's one thing that during our own time with Banky W, you know, so many times where the major thing we Banky do is say in give us platform, but me and Wiz we disturb by ourselves, you know, that kind of thing. I remember that time where they do say that they leak song. Now we start where we go leak our song people can't they follow us do them. Now we start that thing. You understand?
Yes.
So we leak many songs. You understand? We talk so we don't know. We don't know, but it was the formula with the work.
Yeah.
So like you need to be artist. No mean say you as somebody don't sign you now. You could just give them everything. You need to do something too. You know,
put your own efforts.
Put energy. You can not be say you could just go sit down.
Well, that's after you say not be OG. Yeah. Now you don't give us OG pep talk.
Now experience the best teacher.
OG flex. Gen Z OG. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna lie you. I just enjoy myself the conference, and of course, thank you so much, Skales. You know, for making the whole show tight and sweet this evening. They say when music's sweet, you play it twice, thrice, because that's what the thing just be. All right. So in my cup, we'll give it to you again, and we will continue to give it to you for Inside Naija FM 102.7 Skills. Now our family member.
Let's go.
You understand? And of course, we for this side, we watch you, we observe you, they find out, but no matter all the obstacles when they come your way, I just grow ahead. From where I come from, that's what they come. You they look and they go.
They look and they play the show.
Now for you.